In this classroom, we have whiteboards and projectors along the walls, as well as tables for students to use. First, you'll need to locate the control panel on your podium. On the screen, there'll be a button that says Press to Begin. Once you press this button, all the projectors will turn on and come down. The lights will dim and the shades on the windows will lower. The overhead document camera attached to the podium will turn on as well. On your control panel, you'll see a list of sources on the left side of the screen. These sources are your options for what is going to be shown on your podium monitor and the projector displays. Your options are Ninernet PC, laptop, and document camera. Ninernet PC is the computer on the podium. If you click this button, it'll show what is on this PC. Your room has dual monitors. It will only show what is on the right monitor. The left monitor is free for you to use without it being displayed. Laptop is if you have a secondary laptop that has an HDMI port. You can plug the HDMI cord located on the podium into the laptop. Once you click the button, the projectors will show what is on the laptop. Last on the list is the document camera. Once you click this button, it'll show what is under the document camera on the displays around the room, as well as on the podium's right monitor. You can control the document camera features with the buttons on the document camera itself. To return to the main menu and no longer show the document camera screen, you can press the button of the source you want to use. Keep in mind, when you switch between the sources, your right monitor will switch to them as well. So while in a source that is not Ninernet PC, you will only have access to the computer through the left monitor. Underneath your sources are your video controls. There's a button that says Mute Video. This hides what is on your podium screen from the projectors around the room. On the bottom right side of your control panel screen, there's a button labeled System Tool. When you click this, it'll show you options for things around the room. It allows you to turn the projectors on and off or move them up and down. You can control the lights by turning them on and off or switching the presentation lighting. And you can lower and raise both sets of shades on the windows to adjust the amount of light coming in. The last section are your controls for the document camera. This allows you to turn it on and off and adjust all lamps or arm and back lamps individually.